Hey guys, today we're back and we're playing Twisted again. We are in a 6-2 right now. It's a decent server. I haven't played Twisted in a while because I honestly just got bored of it. You know, I just didn't find that much interest in it. And we got a huge cone here. I don't think that's a wedge. Yeah, it's not a wedge yet. But the velocity does show pretty violent, the signature, so that's something. There's a Dominator 2 back there, and I think there's a Tiv 2 driving towards us, yep. But, yeah, I think he might have just switched to Tiv 2. God, I need to actually turn down the volume, bro. With the store audio. Okay. I don't know why I just haven't played Twisted. I just haven't played Twisted. I think everybody's gonna start using 2025. Oh, one's over there. Okay. Oh shit. Shifted. It didn't shift. Well, we'll miss you, Dom 1. Oh god, I think I deployed too late. Hold on. Why did the tornado just shift? Wait. I'm still. Why did the tornado just shift like over there and then it shifts back on there? I think Bro's Dom 1 is cooked. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I didn't even see it. We're gonna get tornado attack out for now. Alright, let's go. Let's get this shit rolling. How fast are these storms moving? That's not that bad. Oh! Oh. Uh-oh. Well, this ain't good.
Yeah, it's like 260. Yeah. Jeez. Oh my god. Survived. How did I survive? That's the last thing I expected to survive. Oh my gosh. Dude. 8 black pixels. Jesus, bro. Why is that like, bro? Yeah, possible 300 plus right here could break my record. Yeah, dang, bro. Possible barrel. If this barrels, I'm done for. Just letting y'all know now. Go. Keep going. I'm done. Not even in it. Yep, just deploy. Why do I never have rockets, dude? Dude. Yeah, I don't have my vehicle on. Black velocity over Hazelton, bro. Black velocity over Hazelton. Dude. That's insane. Oh. Dude, debris is getting flung all the way out here. I gotta see what it's like in Hazelton, bro. Oh my god. I think I'm actually getting Winfield out here. I'm gonna go to a gas station, get my health up. It's very low. And like, dude, what the fuck? Bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go, bro. This is insane. It's still really violent. Yep. look at this damage. This tornado went through Hazelton. Shifted. Yeah. 200 violent 260 mile an hour tornado. Just kind of wiped out Hazelton right now. Yep, we got people dead. Oh. High India 4. Yep, high India 4. Oh yeah. Yeah, this tornado really did a pack a punch, didn't it? Oh my god. Yep, anchor bolts visible on those houses. Possible EF5 here. Yeah, that's like EF3 damage. Dude, that's crazy. Ain't no way. I feel like I'm getting wind. Oh, it's because there's a rotation. That is still really violent. Oh yeah, this. Oh. I think there's an EF5 indicator here. Yeah, this is really bad. This Loki kind of just slammed these houses. Yeah, gone. Wiped out. Oh my god. Dude. It's so bad. What the fuck? Alright, gas station. That's not doing very well. Finally, tornadoes going. Okay. Yeah, dude. That. Oh man. Yeah, this house is intact. Oh, yeah, it's starting to weaken. I'm in the velocity rotation currently. I don't. Yeah. Once the tornado lifts, I want to see what was in the direct path of it when it struck. Tomorrow's risk ain't nothing good, but yeah. How big is it? Is it like a barrel? Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. That was pretty crazy.